Welcome to Norway Visa Info. If you are planning to move abroad in 2025, Norway is one of the most attractive destinations for skilled workers and professionals. The country offers high salaries, modern lifestyle, social benefits, and a safe working environment. But before you pack your bags, you need to understand how to apply for a Norway Work Visa in 2025. In this video, I will explain the complete guide for foreigners step by step, so you will not be confused at any stage. First of all, let's understand what a Norway Work Visa is. This visa allows non-EU or non-EEE citizens to live and work legally in Norway for a certain period of time. If you are from Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Philippines, or any country outside the European Union, you will definitely need this visa. Once approved, you can work full-time and also bring your family to live with you in Norway. Now the big question, who is eligible? To apply for a Norway Work Visa in 2025, you need a valid job offer from a registered Norwegian employer. The job must be full-time, and it should be in a field where Norway needs skilled workers. Common sectors include healthcare, IT engineering, construction, and oil and gas. If you have a background in these areas, your chances of approval are much higher. You must also meet educational requirements. For example, most professional jobs require at least a bachelor's degree or relevant technical training. Your qualifications should match the job you are applying for. The next step is documents. Before applying, you need to prepare all the required paperwork. The main documents include your valid passport, signed job contract, completed application form, proof of education, work experience certificates, updated CV, and passport-size photos. You will also need proof of accommodation in Norway and sometimes proof of sufficient funds. Remember, Norway is very strict about documents, so make sure everything is complete and genuine. Missing even one paper can cause delays or rejection. Once you have all the documents, you can start the application process. The process is very straightforward. First, go to the official UDI website, which is the Norwegian Directorate of Immigration. There, you will create an online application account. Fill in your details, upload the necessary documents, and pay the visa fee. In 2025, the work visa fee is usually around 6,300 Norwegian kroner, which is about $600, but always check the latest updates because fees may change. After completing the online application, you need to book an appointment at the nearest VFS Global Center or Norwegian Embassy in your country. At this appointment, you will submit your biometric information such as fingerprints and photographs, and hand in your original documents. The embassy will then forward your application to Norway for processing. Processing time is another important factor. Normally, it takes between 2 to 3 months for a work visa decision, but in busy seasons, it can take longer. So always apply well in advance before your job starting date. During this waiting time, you can track your application status online through the UDI portal. If your application is approved, you will receive a residence permit card. This card allows you to enter Norway and start working legally. Once you arrive in Norway, you must visit the local police station within 7 days to register your residence and get your ID number. This ID number is very important in Norway because it is used for everything, including opening a bank account, renting a house, and getting healthcare. Another benefit of the Norway Work Visa is family immigration. If you are married or have children, you can apply to bring your family members with you. They will also get residence permits, and your spouse can work in Norway as well. This makes it easier for foreign workers to settle down long-term. Now let's talk about some important tips to increase your chances of success. First, make sure your CV is according to European standards. Highlight your skills clearly. Second, apply only for genuine job offers, because fake contracts are a common reason for rejection. Third, be honest in your application. Norwegian authorities do background checks, and if they find false information,